Hello YouTubers, welcome to another Blu-ray unboxing. I'm Rodolfo of the Wolf-dolfo channel, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of a 2-film set of Studio Ghibli films. Spirited Away and Howl's Moving Castle. Now, I haven't seen these films before, but I've been checking out Studio Ghibli stuff, so I decided to check these out too. I decided to check these two films out for the first time. I've already seen Ponyo. I've already seen Ponyo, The Cat Returns, Whisper of the Heart, and what else? Kiki's Delivery Service. Well, anyway, let's take a look at what we have inside here. Oh, I'll probably throw away the slipcover though. Anyway, here's Spirited Away, the Academy Award winner for Best Animated Feature. A film by Hayao Miyazaki. I hope I pronounced his name correctly. I'm sorry if I'm having a hard time having the camera focus here. Anyway, these were released by Shout Factory. I'm sorry I couldn't read this from here. So anyway, let's take a look at what we have inside. Okay, here's the Blu-ray. And let me just take away these inserts here. And here's the DVD. And now, Howl's Moving Castle. Here's the spine. Here's a look at the back here. I'm sorry I couldn't read it from the camera here, so anyway, let's open this up and see what we have inside. Here's the Blu-ray. And here's the disc. Here's the DVD. Well, YouTubers, that's all for today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and have a good night.